In this video I am going to teach you how to edit dark vintage views in Lightroom mobile application. Let's start editing. Contrast +40. Highlights -40. Shadow +50. Whites -40. Blacks +49. It's done. Now move the curve setting and take a screenshot of curvy setting or download preset from the link below in the video description. Now go to the colors. Tint +10. Vibrance +20. Saturation +20. Go for the color mix. Red color hue -50. Orange color hue -10. Saturation -51. Luminance +30. Yellow color hue -80. Saturation -51. Luminance +10. Cream color saturation -50. Aqua color saturation -49. Blue color saturation -49. Purple color saturation -49. End color saturation also -49. It is also done. Let's move to the color grading. Shadow hue 196. Saturation +10. Blending +100. Balance +20. Highlights hue +60. Saturation +20. Color grading is done. Now with the effects. Clarity +21. Dehaz +20. Nose reduction +16. Color nose reduction +51. Now copy settings and apply it to other images.